Yeah, we are live here in Cambodia again. Check. Marcus Body Coding Live. No footwork every day. Remember, you see, we do. No excuses. First, watch for yourself. Our basic number 8. Let's go. See for yourself. Let's go. From the side. Yes, this is the move. Now, no excuses. Let's do it together. Let's go. Let's do it together. Let's do it on the grass. Yes, are you ready? Let's go. You can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We step forward, tap, step back, and tap. Yeah. Now, leg forward in the air. Yeah, this is air. And we slide to the back, switching the weight, going on the toes. Now with the right. Step, tap, step, tap. Step in the air, slide it back, switch the weight and on the toes. Let's go again with the left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Yeah, with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the air and back. Yeah. Now let's do it face to face. I want to see you. Let's go. Are you ready? Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yeah. But not doing your makeup, of course. Practice it. Let's go. Let's go. With the left. Step. Tap, step, tap, step in the air, pull it back, change the weight, and on the toes. Now with the right, step, tap, step, tap, step in the air, and slide back, switch the weight and on the toes. Again, step, tap, step, tap, step to the front, in the air, pull it back. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Yes, let's do it from the side. Are you ready? Let's go. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it there for the illusion. 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Yes, this is the move. This is the groove. So if you are the serious student, make sure to check the link to the full tutorial. Yeah. How do you do that? Check the link above to the side below. Or if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel. And go and search for this move. Air Basic 8 or Air B or Basic 8. This is the name of the move. Yeah. So search for the full tutorial, free, forever for free. Yeah, I'm serious. And just be reminded that this move and all the moves here are universal. meaning you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, bachata, kizomba, rumba, samba, semba, hip hop, any style that you want, because this moves body coding. We code these universal moves so you can use them anywhere you want. And of course, make sure to practice this move today, because practice makes progress. And if you do it enough, it makes permanent. And do it today. Why today? Because the more you have a new footwork every day, focus body coding live. Yeah. So, do it today, practice today, wherever you are. At the park, near the river, near the market, in Cambodia, in Thailand, wherever you are. Practice today. Cha-ching. And let's meet tomorrow with a new footwork, like every day. See you tomorrow.